Okay, really quickly, I am going to show you how to start a Pear Deck lesson. And it's really important that you do it this way because if you want to collect data from your students as far as how they're doing in their responses to your questions, if you start it this way, then Pear Deck will create that form for you called takeaways. So, first, you need to go to the peardeck.com website. Make sure you sign in, click on teacher sign in, and then you'll come to this page. And so, assuming that you have already created a few lessons, then there are the ones that you have created will show up down here. So, these are the Pear Decks that I created. So, these are the Google Slides that have incorporated Pear Deck. So, what I'm going to do is click on one of these lessons, and then it says view in Google Drive or remove activity. I don't want to do either of those. So in order to actually start the lesson, you click on the lesson and then you have to click start live lesson and it says student pace. It takes a second to actually launch the presentation. So you might want to have this already loaded before your students actually get into your live meet or live session. Okay, so what it's doing is generating a code, and your students can join a few different ways. They can go to joinpd.com up here. They can go into that website and then they can type in this code QHXXGU. Another way is to give the students a link if they're in your Google Meet. You can copy this to your clipboard and then you can put it into your chat. And that might be the easiest way to do this. So after all of your students have joined, it says waiting for students. And then right now, no students are connected. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply join myself so we can see in real time. I'm going to click okay, and then I'm going to put the code, which was QHXXGU, QHXXGU. I don't know if they need the space in between or what. Okay, yep. It's actually joining. So I'm actually joining my own Pear Deck. I'm gonna skip this for how am I feeling today. And as you can see, my first slide has showed up. So that's what the students are actually going to see. And oh, here's the dot that they can drag. Okay. So I'm going to go back. This is what the students are seeing right now. And I'm going to go back up here because you need to know this. Okay, it says one student connected. Obviously, that's me. And then you're going to start the class. And then voila, you're actually presenting. So if a student is actually in this tab, then they're kind of inside your lesson at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and try to, hope I can get rid of this stuff, switch to a different screen. Okay, it's not going to let me. Let's see if I can go full. Nope. Okay. Okay, so that's how you start your lesson. I'm going to go ahead and I'm trying to move to a different slide. Let's see. How to easy take notes. Oh, here it is. Okay. So if I want to like go to a different slide, then I can come over here and go to a different slide like that. Let's see. And as you can see, this is giving the students a chance to respond. I'm going to respond really quickly. And my video is going to cut off. But it's really important that you start your lessons this way. That way, it will record the students' responses and you can look at those later for your lessons.